Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to change heading color in Elementor, right? As you can see on my screen right now, I'm creating a new web page on my website using Elementor, and I have just created a section and added a heading widget, right? Now what I want is to change the heading color, right? So for that you just need to edit your heading, and for that you just need to move your cursor over the heading. And when you move your cursor over the heading, automatically a pen icon appears in front of you in the top right corner of the heading. You just need to click on that pen icon, and in the left side toolbar again there are three settings: content settings, style setting, and advanced setting. You just need to move to the style setting, and in the style setting we have simply opened the heading, and in the heading there is normal we have selected, and we are going to change the text color. So we are going to click on that, and for example I just want to add green color over my heading, so I have simply moved the cursor to the green color in the color palette and just simply selected the green color, and you can see the heading color have been changed. Apart from that, if you want to learn Elementor in more detail, then I have added my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I've added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.